Hey friends, I tell you how to got a faster 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. This is my proof. It's a guaranteed 100% real. Just you, first of all, you downloaded the short videos. First is short videos. You make a short videos. You do anything. You just make a do anything like something. You click photos. You click videos. And do like instantly, constantly, you just doing uploading short videos, and just there is such a miracle happened. What? There's more and more subscribers you gain. So you niche, any niche you want to, just like a music or something like a travel or something like a blog, something, anything your category, you just choose one and just upload it a shorts video. So YouTube shorts, their YouTube shorts funds is raised. So you, the more uploaded videos on YouTube, you make a content constantly. Like this is my proof. Within a 1 month, I have got 1,000 subscribers. So you just uploaded or daily uploaded shorts video, and just you do a shorts video uploaded, you just got 1,000 subscribers. So you do, there is a niche, something, a niche one, that like a niche, something like they have a travel, music, anything, cooking, a lot of things which you have to be choose, and then you go for that. So my friend, this is my guaranteed one to choose one niche and got to constantly doing uploading videos, and you got subscribers. You hurry up and you go for this and hurry up for this to uploading videos, constantly uploading. That's like, that doesn't matter you loaded or something else or not. You just click. There's a lot of people who is under over the world. There's 8 billion people in the world, and a lot of people who is watching a YouTube channel. So just go for that around the world. That's cool. Thank you.